Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to install PostgreSQL in your system. This is my installation file. Let me click on it. Click Run. Welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard. Next, installation directory. We are going to install PostgreSQL version 15 in this location of our system. If you click here, you can change the location. Click Next because I am installing PostgreSQL in my system on this location. This is coming by default. Click Next. I want PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin for Stack Builder, Command Line Tools. Click Next. Please select a directory under which to store your data. By default, we will see this location. Next. Let me give one. Let me change the password once again. Okay, next. Please select the port number the server should listen on. By default, it is 5432. Let us keep it as it is. Click Next. Select the locale to be used by the new database cluster. I am keeping the settings as it is. We can choose different things from the drop-down window. Arabic. Lot of options are there. Let me keep default locale as it is. Click Next button. The following settings will be used for the installation. Our PostgreSQL is going to install in this location, the version 15. It is mentioned here. Data is saved in this folder, data folder. Port number is 5432. Super user is Postgres. Okay, let us install. Setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL on your computer. Next. It is installing. Let us wait for a moment. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install PostgreSQL and pgAdmin 4 in a Windows 10 operating system. Completing the PostgreSQL setup wizard. Setup has finished. Installing PostgreSQL on your computer. Launch Stack Builder at exit. It is already marked as tick. We don't want it now. Let me untick it. Click Finish. So we successfully installed PostgreSQL and pgAdmin 4 versions in our Windows 10 64 operating system. Let us click Windows R key, type pgAdmin 4. Now let us open pgAdmin. It is already showing here pgAdmin 4. Let us click on it. pgAdmin management tools for PostgreSQL. Waiting for pgAdmin 4 to start. Let us maximize the window. Unlock saved passwords. Please enter your master password. This is required to unlock saved passwords and reconnect to the database servers. Let us give a password. OK. Please enter your master password. This is required to unlock saved passwords and reconnect to the database servers. Incorrect master password. Let us type once again. Incorrect master password is coming again. Let us reset master password. This will remove all saved passwords. This will also remove established connections to the server, and you may need to reconnect again. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Let us type it again. OK. Servers. Please enter the password for the user Postgres to connect the server PostgreSQL 15. Let us type the password. Here we have the option to save the password. Let us tick mark it. Click OK. Yes, we got the databases. By default, there is Postgres database there. So we install PostgreSQL 15 version and the pgAdmin for interacting with this PostgreSQL 15. Thank you.